Climates of India, long questions and answers in 80 to 100 words. Explain the major factors that influence the climate of India. India's climate is influenced by a combination of natural factors. Latitude determines the amount of solar energy received, making southern India warmer than the north. Altitude affects altitude affects temperature. Higher areas like the Himalayas are cooler. Proximity to the sea provides a moderating effect, resulting in less temperature variation in coastal areas. Winds, especially monsoon winds, bring seasonal rainfall. Topography, such as mountain ranges, influences wind direction and rainfall patterns. These factors together create India's diverse climatic conditions across different regions. Describe the different types of climates found in India with examples. India has various climate types due to its vast size and geographical diversity. Tropical wet climate is found in the Western Ghats and northeastern states, marked by high rainfall. Tropical dry climate occurs in central India with hot summers and dry winters. Arid climate dominates Rajasthan with very little rainfall. The mountain climate in the Himalayas is cool and snowy. The coastal climate is moderate due to the sea's influence. This climatic diversity allows India to support a wide range of vegetation, crops, and lifestyles. How do the Himalayas influence India's climate and weather patterns? The Himalayas play a critical role in shaping India's climate. They act as a barrier against cold winds from Central Asia, keeping northern India warmer in winter. They also intercept the moisture laden monsoon winds, causing heavy rainfall on the southern slopes and influencing agricultural practices. The Himalayas redirect winds, helping to distribute rainfall over large parts of the country. Their presence leads to formation of different climatic zones and affects the seasonal flow of rivers through snow melt, contributing to water supply and hydropower. What is the monsoon? Explain its significance for India. The monsoon refers to the seasonal reversal of winds that brings rainfall to India. The southwest monsoon, like June to September, originates from the Indian Ocean and causes rainfall across most parts of India. The northeast monsoon, October to December, brings rain mainly to the southeastern coast. Monsoons are vital for Indian agriculture as most crops depend on this seasonal rain. They also influence drinking water availability, hydroelectric power generation, and overall economy. The delay in failure in the monsoon can lead to droughts, crop failure, and economic distress. Discuss the impact of climate on the lifestyle and economy of India. India's climate greatly influences the lifestyle and economy of its people. In hot and dry areas, people wear light cotton clothes and build houses with thick walls. In colder regions, woolen clothes and wooden homes are common. Agriculture, the backbone of the Indian economy, depends on the monsoon rains. Crop patterns vary with climatic conditions. Rice is grown in wet regions while wheat thrives in cooler areas. Climate also affects industries such as tourism, fishing, and forestry. Extreme climate events can cause economic losses and migration. What are cyclones? How do they affect the Indian subcontinent? Cyclones are powerful circular storms originating over warm ocean waters. In India, they mostly form in the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea, especially during the pre monsoon and post monsoon periods. Coastal states like Odisha, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu are highly vulnerable. Cyclones bring strong winds, heavy rain, and storm surges that flood coastal areas, damage property, and disrupt livelihoods. Lives are often lost, and agriculture suffers due to saline water intrusion. Government agencies now use early warning systems to reduce damage. Describe the causes and effects of floods in India. Floods in India are mainly caused by heavy monsoon rains, river overflow, cyclones, and inadequate drainage systems. States like Bihar, Assam, and Uttar Pradesh experience annual floods. These floods damage homes, destroy crops, and displace people. Roads, bridges, and communication systems were often disrupted. Waterborne diseases spread due to contaminated water. Floods also impact education and livelihoods. Deforestation and unplanned urban growth worsen flood intensity. Flood management includes building embankments, improving drainage, and using early warning systems to minimize destruction and protect communities. How does climate change pose a threat to India? Climate change has become a growing threat to India. Rising temperatures are leading to irregular rainfall, prolonged droughts, intense heat waves, and frequent cyclones. Glacial melting in the Himalayas endangers the flow of rivers like the Ganga. Coastal areas face rising sea levels, increasing the risk of flooding and displacement. Agriculture is affected due to the unpredictable monsoons, reducing food production and farmer income. Biodiversity loss, forest fires, and health issues are other effects. India is working toward climate resilience through renewable energy and environmental conservation. What are landslides? Where do they occur in India and why? Landslides are the downward movement of soil, rock, or debris from a slope, usually caused by heavy rainfall, earthquakes, or deforestation. In India, landslides commonly occur in the Himalayan region, the Western Ghats, and the northeast due to steep slopes, and high rainfall. Deforestation and construction on unstable slopes increase the risk. Landslides block roads and railways, damage property, and pose threats to human life. Managing landslides involves proper drainage, afforestation, and construction regulations in vulnerable areas to reduce environmental and human losses. What steps can be taken to reduce the impact of climate related disasters in India? To reduce the impact of climate related disasters, India needs a multi pronged approach. Early warning systems using satellites help in timely evacuation. Building stronger infrastructure like cyclone shelters and flood barriers protects people and property. Afforestation prevents landslides and soil erosion. Sustainable urban planning ensures better drainage and reduces flood risk. Public awareness and community participation improve disaster response. Government agencies like NDMA and local disaster management authorities work to coordinate relief efforts. Climate education and long term environmental policies are also essential.